Alright, when I saw this hair, I loved it for my very first time because I haven't made any video with these boho braids, and it was my first time to do them. And yes, I loved them. I loved them because they were really human. And even my client was, we used to use these other synthetic extension, but this time around we really used the real human. And yes, I got it from this company called Eayon Hair. Yes, this is how it looks. Eayon Hair. And the whole we use the 3 packs. Yes, they give you the 3 packs, 20 inches, the 3 bundles, 20 inches. They are really human and very nice. Yes, and it does not yeah, those ones who have been using like those other hair extension which are synthetic, this is real human. Let me tell you, this is real human. Yes, I did it. So it comes with other they really pack it well with other things like the crochet, the comb inside, plus the hair clips that you can already. Yes, that you can always use. So if you also if you want to try to order for that hair extension, just know you'll find all those products inside that package: the crochet, the sailing comb, plus those 3 bundles, 20 inches, and then even that hair clip. They're all in there. So let me just even use this same hair clip and you see how amazing it works for me. And yes, or when we're doing these boho braids, there's something that I'll just try to teach you, because yes, the only thing is how you're making your art in the head. Yes, how you make that art. That is the only thing you need to understand, because others, like doing the knotless braids, most of you know how to do the knotless braids. I think we all know this method of doing the knotless braids, so there is no need of teaching you how to do this. So but the only thing that I wanted to show you is that how I try to separate my hair before starting the plaiting. It what matters. And you can see the middle way how I did it, plus the size, even it is the same with the other side. So yes, I always want to make it this way so that my client can be able to style this hair in all directions she wants. Yes, she can hold a puff, she can make it a sideway on the left direction, and she can still do it on the right direction. So you should always try to make sure that you first part like this before starting, and this middle the middle line, this middle part, the one I'm braiding, is where you should plait your knotless. As you're adding the extension of the Eayon hair, you keep on adding it on, so that you get that others call it the goddess. Yeah, it's the plating, and that's how you just keep on doing it. But for my very first time, and I loved it so much, the fact that I didn't even add in any spray, but it was very nice already. Yes, because most of the times we always do add in the hair moss and others, but this time around I made it without any spray, but it looked that nice, as we're going to see in this whole video. So I'm going to add in the link in the description for those ones who would want to purchase it. Please just go right in the description, click on those links, they will take you straight where I got this hair, and you also get yours.
Hair by clippers, we body go. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, balling it like expected. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers.
different that I always do. For me, when I reach in front, I change the position. Here I just do it this way. If you try to look at it, I just do it this way, and then I add in from inside. This is my trick, like how I always do my knotless braids, and this is my method that I use when it comes to these lines in front, because I always want, whenever this person is holding a puff or styling it, all the braids just match in the good directions where they're protected, they're protective, and when they cannot come out as others. And then when you try to look at my cornrows, is also different. If you try to look at it, I'm not doing the updo cornrow, the yarn cornrows. This is from inside, like those ones who know how to do the pencil hairstyle. You can see I add it from inside. Yes, those ones who have been following my cornrows are totally different from these other cornrows that we always do so. And according to my experience, I've realized that this one lasts more longer than the other cornrows. So that's why I opt to do these ones. But it's not like I don't know even these ones, I can still also do these. So it is the same, but according to me, I feel that the other one is more long lasting than this one. So this is my only trick that I always use when it comes to this kind of braiding. So you can see how it looks. Trust me, you're going to love it. But those ones who are still new on this channel, please go right in the description, click on those links if you want these human braids, these human bundles for your boho braiding. Trust me, you will love this hair. You will love it even when you don't add in any product. You can still achieve it as nice as possible. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers, that is Hair by Clippers with Z. So you can always come and support us. We are located in Tinda, Ministers Village, yes, at Sunatu Road. When you're welcome anytime to come and join us. Yes, look at this. Bye bye. See ya.
Hair by Clippers. Hair by Clippers. Oyagala omulembe